Yes peeps, back with another video, and today we're going to talk about a tragic loss of one of our pioneers, one of our innovators of jungle hardcore. Has passed away. DJ Tango's no longer with us. It's really sad to hear. Got a phone call this afternoon from one of my friends, and looked online. Even DJ Mag has picked up on it. Jungle drum and bass producer Tango, aka Dre Me Giltrap, has died suddenly, it has been reported. Tango produced a string of hardcore jungle and drum and bass tunes in the late 1990s, and after taking a break from the scene after the early noughties, that's meant to say 90s, or in the early noughties, during which he became a chef. He returned recently with some new releases and was thought to be working on an EP for Goldie's Gold Standard Metalheadz imprint. As hardcore swept the UK and turned of the 1990s, Tango's first release was on DJ SS's Formation label. So guys, as you can see, DJ Mag has reported it. Tango, as you know, needs no introduction if you're an avid collector and into the hardcore jungle scene. You would have heard this guy's music, including tracks like Tales from the Dark Side. Massive tune, man, massive tune. Going back to the old rave days, Tasco Warehouse, Laser Drone. Proper raved up hard to these tunes, man. And I can't believe that he's passed away. Look, everyone's tweeting about it. We've got tweets here from Dot Scott, tweets from LTJ Bookham. Did a tweet myself earlier, and I'm sure the whole scene is tweeting about him right now. Condolences go out to his family. I really feel for them. I also feel for him. Also some big tunes. We're gonna miss him, man. We're gonna miss ya. Man, that's all I've got to say for now. Yeah. R.I.P. Tango. Take care. God bless. Peace.
So no one take it personal. Send for the new gun. new gun. Send for the new gun.